Join us for the 6th International IHUD Conference, a global gathering of minds dedicated to advancing humanity. This year's theme is Horizon of Unity, Interdependence of Humanity in the 21st Century. Mark your calendars for April 5th and 6th, 2025. This transformative event will bring together researchers, educators, artists and thought leaders to explore how integrative approaches can unify diverse fields and create a stable, harmonious future. From the natural sciences to the social sciences, arts, humanities, education and health, this conference emphasizes the interconnectedness of disciplines to address humanity's greatest challenges. With 15 presentations, we'll explore how integrative approaches can unite diverse fields. Thought leaders, researchers and visionaries from around the world will come together to share insights, challenge perspectives and shape a future built on connection and collaboration. Don't miss the opportunity to connect, learn and be inspired at the 6th International IHUD Conference. Together, let's shape a future built on unity and interdependence. See you there.